Oh man, Steve, you're on the list for sure, dude. I'll give you a spoiler. You're on it. 2023 2023 Chronicles draft picks football hobby 8-box number 1 random teams. You can find the results right there anytime at LaytonSportsCards.com. Let's go ahead and get started. Scoot got injured.
What?
Said he injured his shoulder, won't return tonight. They didn't say if it was like bad or it looked bad or anything. Just said it's probably precautionary because he's already really good at basketball.
Oh, yeah.
But we'll see. That's Corbin Carroll and Scoot. Get these guys to stop playing, man. All right, Chronicles draft picks football. Again, to go to current team, I would assume they're all collegiate players here. Find 4 auto and 1 mem. Oh, I thought it was 4 total hits. It's 4 autos and a mem per box on average. So good luck, everybody. I'll look quickly through the base here. First hit is a Cedric Tillman to 99 college ticket auto. It's nice. That's a optic college ticket auto. Let me give me a sec here. Actually, we have our Leaf Metal Draft cheat sheet thing. Cedric Tillman is a brown. Brown's on this one. Mark Andrews base. Jalen Carter. There you go, Pats. Christian Gonzalez. There he is. Mark Jackson. Hello, Hamster. Anthony Richardson, Pinnacle.
Hamster.
Got a Dontario Drummond. That's pretty sick looking. Sensational signatures. Prism cracked, like gold cracked ice. It's not numbered. At least that I see. I don't see it. Dontario Drummond. To look this one up. Get that sleeve and top loaded. Dontario Drummond. He is a Cowboy. Nice hit, Cowboys. Backwards cards here. So 49 is a Luke Musgrave. Levis on the black there. That's pretty cool. Shade on Sharp poster dunk? I don't know about that, illegal. Why is he playing in Summer League? He's a beast already. Got, who's this? Jameer Gibbs. That's a cool one. Mahomes. XR Orange. That is non-numbered. Nice Mahomes there, though. Michael Mayer. That goes to the Raiders to 49. Bijan Classics. Appreciate that, Hamster. Jay Ward on the Origins auto to 199. Jay Ward. What's that?
Drippy's over there trying to be like he's playing in the damn G League.
Yeah, he's trying to act like them.
There it is.
Jay Ward Vikings.
Scoot Henderson's hurt.
Scoot left he left the game with a shoulder injury.
Yeah.
Josh Allen. We got
Done for the
Rated
year.
rookie clearly. Jalen Hyatt. That's nice. That's to 149. Jalen Hyatt is a giant.
He's done, dude. Done.
Oh, jeez. Sean's just trying to buy all his cards cheap.
Yeah. Done, Dundee. Give me all your scoops.
250 points. Ran to everybody at the end. Ben Roethlisberger. We got Luke Musgrave again. Rookie Spectra to 75. Merlin game used ball cards on the first time today. Merlin soccer. Some of them are game used, like the match ball. Some of them, I don't think it. The recent ones aren't game used. They're just soccer ball relics. Jersey Daniel Jones. They're sick cards. Are their case hits. They go for pretty big money. The right player. Jersey Daniel Jones. That's Giants. Got Earl Campbell to 149. It's going to go Titans. Longest tenure was Oilers. Goes Titans. Sauce Gardner. Mayer. McCaffrey. We got 3 autos, right?
Yeah.
It says 4 autos and 1 mem per box on that. Oh, we got the points. We got the points. That's my bad. That's my bad. We got the points. We're good. I mean, wish we had an auto, but technically we didn't get shorted. Tank Dell to 99 rookie auto. That goes to the Texans. Tank Dell. Oh, nice, Alejandro. Yeah, they are sick. They're pretty too. The balls they use for the cards are awesome. Latavion Wicks. Will Shipley, he is still in college. That's random to everybody at the end. Will Shipley on the sensational signatures. That one. Jahmyr Gibbs to 149. That goes to the Lions. Zenith. This is pretty nice stuff, man. Andre Carter. Trenton Simpson on the orange. Orange is not numbered. Got rated rookie. Nice. Blue collar match. Will Levis to 99. That's great. College and professional color match on the blue there. That's sick. Congrats, Titans. Here we go. Keishon Butte, Patriots. That's nice. Ronnie Hickman auto. Ronnie Hickman to 199. That's the Canvas Creations impeccable design there. It's like a thin impeccable card, though. Ronnie Hickman goes to the Browns. There you go, Browns. Bijan there. Rated rookie clearly. Tank Bigsby. Jaguars at 99. Clark Phillips. $250 points. Running everybody at the end. One of those. Wes Welker. You've got a Tanner McKee rookie. Numbered at 49. Kenneth Walker III on the patch card for the Seahawks. 6 of 10, Moxie 3-color patch. That gold trim Michigan State there. Nice Bryce Young, clearly orange rated rookie. Richardson, 1 of 10 Pinnacle rookie. Colts. What a box this was. Levis rated rookie blue and a Richardson to 10. That's awesome. There you go, Colts. Baker. 2 boxes, 2 points cards. Hopefully that doesn't continue all night. Devin Achane jersey auto. Rookie for the not the Lions, sorry, the Dolphins. Devin Achane to 199. Rookie jersey auto gold. Gold standard. Dolphins right there. Caffrey. Xavier Hutchinson, rookie gold. That one's out of 10. That's a cool Iowa State color match as well. He is a Texan. There you go, Texans. Richardson college ticket chrome. John Ridgeway on the red ice auto. John Ridgeway. Commanders. Commanders, John Ridgeway. There's Burrow to 99 for the Bengals. Quentin Johnston, first rounder. This is a Bryce Ford Wheaton. Rookie auto, Bryce Ford Wheaton. Will Wheaton. He is a Giant. Amin Thompson got hurt too. Don't let Wembanyama on the court. Don't let him play. Get him out of there. Don't do it. Don't put him on that court. Everyone's getting hurt out there. Got Jefferson. You got rated rookie. Clearly Joey Porter Jr. for the Steelers at 99. Adam Silver. You better not let him get out there, Adam Silver. And the Spurs. Good Lord. 250 points, random to everybody at the end. Josh Downs on the rookie Spectra. Joey Porter Jr. Jumbo rookie jersey going to the Steelers. There we go, Steelers. Non-numbered. Orange Clear Vision rookie Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. Kyler on the XR. And a Jalen Carter rookie to 149 Eagles. Bryce Young. There's a Joe Theismann. Commanders Joe Theismann, numbered, not numbered, it's just orange. Classics blue is Keaton Mitchell to 99. Keaton Mitchell. Went from Wheaton to Keaton. Let's see, he is a Raven. Ravens, Keaton Mitchell. Marvin Mims. Box 4. All right, no points this time. Come on. Deontay Baines? Is that what it says? Oh, Banks. Banks to 49. Deontay Banks. He is a Giants. There you go, rookie auto to 49. Deontay Banks, Giants. It's Bryce Young. Let's see a numbered on that Young there. Got a rookie. Darnell Washington to 99. Bryce Young, Zenith rookie. Trenton Simpson on the impeccable auto to 125. He is a Raven as well. Kirk Cousins. There's a Burrow Spectra. It's Murphy, Mayer. Jerry and Ely on the Prism Auto. Jerry and Ely. Jerry and Ely, Chiefs. Chiefs, Jerry and Ely. To 99, Jerry Rice going to the Niners for longest tenure. Christian Gonzalez, Anthony Richardson in Classics. $400 points ran to everybody at the end. Got Elway, there's an Israel Abanikanda. On a Spectra. You hear they're talking about like $400 tickets to go see Wembanyama play?
Yeah.
Tonight? Crazy. Jalen Hyatt on the rookie jersey going to the Giants. Red rookie clearly orange. Michael Mayer for the Raiders there. Richardson to 149 for the Colts. Zenith red rookie. Tua. CJ Stroud clear vision. Orange Musgrave. Blue Jordan Addison. Classics. Vikings Jordan Addison to 99. Mayer and Allen. Ronnie Bell on the rookie jersey auto gold standard of 199. Ronnie Bell. He's a 49er. Miles Garrett and a Peter Skoronsky to 75 rookie Spectra. He's first rounder, right? Peter Skoronsky. Yep, Titans. Yeah, pick 11. Thought he was first rounder. Will Shipley again, random to everybody at the end on the Prism Auto. Still in school. Nice. Anthony Richardson on the black football to 99. Blue collegiate color match and I guess NFL color match too for him. Tanner Morgan, rookie auto out of 125. Tanner Morgan. Let's see. Tanner Morgan is a Steeler. Steelers Tanner Morgan. Got Nick Bosa. Clear Vision rookie Michael Mayer for the Raiders to 149. Everybody watching just basketball tonight? Summer League. 900 points rented to everybody at the ends. Drew Brees, you got a Rashee Rice. Brees Hall. Wow. Brees Hall, 1 of 1. Nike swoosh. Looks like a glove. Maybe a part of a sneaker. Probably glove. 1 of 1. Brees Hall going to the Jets. Moxie Relic, 1 of 1. There we go, Jets. No Kayvon Thibodeau's yet. Earl Campbell to 149. And that goes going to go to the Titans for longest tenure. Justin Fields, magnitude orange. Anthony Richardson, optic rated rookie. Anthony Richardson, rookie orange zenith. Where did Joe come from? Oh, look at that. College ticket, optic blue, Anthony Richardson to 99 Colts. Colts doing really well here.
They must be in the lobby. Bots.
They have to be. This is a bot lobby right now in chat. Look at this. Yeah. Got a Hendon Hooker on the Holo Classics. Manny, I'm just gonna have to. You just have to set up alerts, and you gotta set up the Kayvon Thibodeau alerts. Honestly, anytime we say Kayvon Thibodeau on stream, you get a notification. I'll be doing it all the time. Kayvon Thibodeau, Kayvon Thibodeau, Kayvon Thibodeau.
Yeah, wear him out. What's up, Bubba?
I start every break with that. Sam Laporta, rookie Canvas Creations auto. He's a Lion, right? Sam Laporta. He's an Iowa. He was an Iowa Hawkeye, or is that Colorado? Can't tell what that is. Oh yeah, Iowa. Yeah, he'll be great if he's an Iowa tight end like Kittle and Fant and all the other guys. Yep, Lions. Wanted to make sure. Here you go, Lions. Jaron Hall, rookie to 99. Chris Oladokin on the Prism Auto. Was he a Chief last? Yep, currently with the Chiefs. Archie. There's another Anthony Richardson, this time the 99 Chronicles. Archie. CJ Stroud on the magnitude. Devin Achane, rookie jersey, Dolphins. Rookie Xavier Hutchinson. The orange there. Red CJ Stroud Classics to 149 Texans. Nice. Stetson Bennett college ticket on the silver. Stroud base. There's a Jared Wayne, rookie auto to 125. Related to Bruce, I bet. He's Batman. Jared Wayne. Texans. No, wait. Yeah, Texans. Hawkinson there. Forgot about Hawkinson for the Iowa tight ends. To 149 is an A.J. Brown for the Eagles. $250 points, trying to everybody at the end.
Jeez.
Sauce Gardner on the Spectra Silver. Jackson Smith and Jigba rookie jersey going out to the Seahawks. Got orange college ticket, Miles Murphy. Chase to 149 Bengals. Donruss throwback. Caffrey. A couple boxes left here. It's 2023 Panini Chronicles Draft Picks Football Hobby 8-box number 1. Jahmyr Gibbs, rookie auto, Lions to 75. There we go.
Of course, you sold out for the evening.
Sold out for the night, everybody. Heck yeah. Killing it out here. Christian McCaffrey, Will Levis, Stetson Bennett. Xavier Hutchinson, rookie auto out of 99. He is a Texan. We'll see numbered Bryce Young. Oh, not numbered. Zenith Bryce Young. Bijan Robinson, though, on the college ticket to 49. There we go. College jersey number 2. I'm assuming he'll try to be number 5 again in the NFL. Luke, looks like you had one spot at the Ravens. Here's the results link right here. Yeah. One spot, right? Yeah. Got the Ravens. Got a couple hits so far, I think. A couple autos so far. But the replay of the break we post to YouTube, so you can watch it back if you need to. We'll do a quick recap too. Eli Ricks auto. Eli Ricks. Eli Ricks sounds like a honky tonk or something. Eagles, Eli Ricks on the auto. Tua, you've got Josh Downs. He's wearing 7 in the NFL. Does someone, does Drake London have number 5? Would make sense. Pretty sure he's number 5. Jersey card is an A.T. Perry. We've got an orange rated rookie, Miles Murphy. Dalton Kincaid to 149 college ticket Bills. Tyree Wilson. Stroud base there. Micah Parsons, the orange non-numbered. Quentin Johnston rookie. And blue rated rookie optic to 99 Jalen Carter Eagles. Anthony Richardson classic silver again.
Jabari Walker game winner. Jabari Smith Jr.
Oh, I missed it.
I literally walked right in and just shooting it.
Will Shipley again. There's a lot of Will Shipley. That's the 4th Will Shipley auto.
Shaden Sharp is not.
Random at the end.
I saw Eamon Thompson got hurt too.
Yep. I'm telling them not let Wembanyama on the court. They're the next game. They keep him off the court.
Yeah, don't let Jet Howard on the court. Come on.
Quentin Johnston out of 99. There you go. Chargers rated rookie clearly.
Can't
Luke
let
Van
Luke Star
Ness.
get hurt.
Jigba. Yeah, our only shooter. Can't let him get hurt.
Oh wow. You shouldn't be hitting that.
Oh, geez, dude. What?
He just let it go in a half a second.
Wow.
Jabari.
That was a prayer. This guy's a good player. First impressions. Zach Evans, rookie jersey auto to 199. Zach Evans is a Ram. There you go, Rams. Jalen Carter. Anthony Richardson, Spectre rookie silver. Anthony Rousseau, green prism auto. Anthony Rousseau. Is that the name of one of the directors, the Russo brothers? Yeah, it's hard to find this Anthony Rousseau. He's still at Michigan State. Ran him at the end. Green color match, Michigan State, though. Josh Downs, number 299. He's a Colts receiver, I believe. Gronk. A Braden Willis rookie auto. Non-numbered Braden Willis. Signature's not like really bad, but it's so small. Braden Willis is a 49er. Justin Jefferson, rated rookie, red clearly. 2/149, Joey Porter Jr. Steelers. $250 points, random to everybody at the end. It's like one per box, I think. Rashid Rice. You got Barry Sanders, number 249. Goes to the Lions, of course. Jordan Addison, rated rookie optic. Hendon Hooker, rookie jumbo jersey, going to the Lions. Classics, orange Anthony Richardson, Colts. Got a Tanner McKee to 149. Tanner McKee. Will Levis, rookie orange pinnacle. A Lawrence Taylor. Red college ticket optic Jalen Carter to 149 for the Eagles, excuse me, and a Bryce Young hollow rated rookie. Nice card in the end there for the Panthers. Let's do a couple randoms here. Two randoms. First one is going to be autos to everybody. These guys are still in college. Russo, Shipley on the gold ice, and Shipley and Shipley. So top four, 1 through 4. We'll get those. And then points. Is it 7 points? That's one of them we didn't have points. That's good at least.
Yeah.
7 points cards here. So top 7. I think we had 2 relics in one of them. 900 to the first spot, and then it goes 400 second, and then the ones after that will each get 250. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then
Which one we doing first?
do the autos first. So autos are first, 9 times on both. Do autos first. And again, it's the top 4 here after 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Go Steelers, Panthers,
Yep.
Giants, and then Rams.
Yep.
And 9 times here on the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Colts get the 900. Steelers get the 400. I think it was. And then the next few will get 250. Vikings, Eagles, Dolphins, Ravens, and Cowboys. I'll repeat them back in a second here. Cowboys on the back. All right, let's do a quick recap, everybody. So relics, not going to call out NFL teams. I can't remember all of them, but we do look them up, of course. Got Hendon Hooker, A.T. Perry, Jackson Smith, and Jigba. All horizontal, I guess. A Devin Otshane, Jalen Hyatt, Joey Porter Jr. Got the Kenneth Walker III patch. That one's out of 10 for the Seahawks. Daniel Jones, autos of Braden Willis, Zach Evans. 92 homer, Steve, that is a lot. Eli Ricks, Xavier Hutchinson, Jameer Gibbs, Jared Wayne, Chris Oladokun, Sam Laporta, Tanner Morgan, a Ronnie Bell, Jerian Ely, Trenton Simpson, Deontay Banks, Bryce Ford Wheaton, John Ridgway, a Devin Achane, Ronnie Hickman, Tank Dell, Jay Ward, Dontario Drummond, Cedric Tillman, and a 1/1 Nike swoosh relic. I believe it's a glove. It's either a glove or like a shoe. Is for the Jets. It's Breece Hall. Thanks again, everybody. Moving on to number 2 of these.